Assalam Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're all fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe to this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And guys, in this video, I'm going to show you that how can you make mask at your own home. And this is the mask, same mask that I made, and I'm going to show you that how can you make the same mask because of coronavirus. Nowadays, the price of these masks is too much, okay? So you guys can create this mask at your own home, okay? And it's very easy to make. So let's see how can you make this mask. So let's start this tutorial right now. the method that how can you make mask at your own home. So wear the same mask when you are going out for any emergency situation. First of all, don't go out, stay at home and stay safe. But if in case you're going out for any situation, for any emergency situation, for any medical or something, so wear the same mask that you made by your own self. So, and don't forget to send me a picture while you're wearing the same mask, and don't forget to put a hashtag stay at home and tag me the same picture and share the same picture on my Instagram inbox too. So stay safe guys, and meet me on my Instagram. I'm there nowadays. I'm so active there because of lockdown. So Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial, next video, and don't forget to share your pictures to me, and don't forget to visit my Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. It's coming here right now. So Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial. Feeling very sad nowadays.